Hello, this is the Spirited Gardener talking to you about rain gardens. Today we've been having rain for the last 3 or 4 hours. It's rain garden testing time. We're going to go down and see how a garden that we put in 3 weeks ago is really doing its job. There's the downspout. We've got the river rock moving the water, holding it. We've got daylilies planted here. We can also use natives. We also have a little bit of carex. All of these plants can take a little flooding, no problem, and they can also help hold the water where it belongs. Rain gardens work, that's why we build them. And they can be beautiful.